45 minutes to an hour. We have 3 stopovers. Each stopover 5 minutes time for picture taking. During the tour, we're recording in the place just like back in our celebration.
Debriefing. We will have 3 stopovers where we will allow you to disembark and explore for a few minutes. Should you encounter other people such as resort staff or other guests, be sure to practice safe social distancing and keep your mask on. We also advise you to please keep your mask on while inside the vehicle. Refrain from picking the plants and flowers, as well as teasing and or petting the animals that may roam around the area. This is the end of this safety briefing. To your left is our fishing village, where you can catch tilapia or St. Peter's fish, quito, or catfish. We will provide you with fishing rods and bait, and you may choose to either have us cook your catch or you take them out with you on your way home.
Pero pwede doon na bisita niya. Mira lang.
This is an extension of our deer park, which you will see shortly.
Wow.
To your far right are our Vista cottages, our deluxe accommodation.
Right. Okay.
Pwede ka naman overnight?
Pwede.
Pwede. Ano ba sila ko? Labi na ka.
Ay, kasalmino. Hindi.
On your left side is the deer park, where we have about 30 Philippine deer. The Philippine deer, also known as the Philippine sambar or the Philippine brown deer, is a species of deer native to the forests and grasslands on most larger islands of the Philippines. It is classified as vulnerable by the International Union for Conservation of Nature due to its increasingly fragmented populations as a result of habitat loss and hunting. The Philippine deer is a medium-sized species, but generally much smaller than its cousin, the sambar deer. It is mostly even brown in color, with the exception of the underside of the tail, which is white. The antlers of the male are quite small, usually having a length of 20 to 40 centimeter or 7.9 to 15.7 inches. For our hydroponics greenhouses, where we grow leaf lettuce, romaine or red salad bowl lettuce, arugula, salad tomato, Japanese cucumber, basil, parsley, and celery. Hydroponics is a soilless way of planting that uses just water to provide the vegetables with nutrients.
Cool.
Coconut husks ground into powder form are used to hold the roots down. We do not use pesticides or chemical sprays on these vegetables. They are regularly served in our main restaurant. They are also available in selected supermarkets downtown. Simply look for the green Eden seal.
They grow their own vegetables here.
On your right are the holiday lodges. These accommodations are duplex-type deluxe cottages. Across the road on your left is a small, multi-level function area called Holiday Terraces, so named after its multiple terrace design.
Mangosteen grove.
On your left is the mangosteen orchard, which covers adult-grown local vegetables. These vegetables are also available in selected supermarkets downtown. Again, simply look for the green Eden seal.
Oh, look at the sunflower.
Small lang man.
Miniature. Este ako sa talim simya mateno karato na.
Si.
Simya.
We are now entering the flower garden.
Yeah,
where
first
we
stop.
have different varieties of
Picture tayo
flowers.
kita kilego.
This is our first stopover.
Oh.
Feel free to explore and enjoy. Please refrain from picking the flowers. You may also access the Gulayang Pilipino.
Sunflower, oh,
You have
sunflower.
5 minutes to roam around.
Oh, sunflower pa. Sunflower. Oh, sunflower.
Kaya daw picture na po ang frame.
Nakalapit, bale, oh,
Lemon, sabay-sabay.
Bakit na wedding?
We are passing through the Rainbow Pass, where each arc has flowers that correspond to a particular rainbow color. We also have a rainbow art installation, which is often used for prenuptial and wedding pictorials, and even during outdoor wedding ceremonies held in the amphitheater.
Grabe ang lang pala kaya na pwede.
We are now entering the forest area. Time for a brief lesson in geography. Eden is sitting on the lower slopes of Mount Talomo, which is part of the Apo Talomo mountain range. It stands at 8,873 feet or 2,674 meters above sea level. By comparison, Eden's highest point is approximately 3,000 feet or 914 meters above sea level.
100.
Ito kasi yung gano'n, no? Ano yan? Swing lang.
Gusto ko yan, swing pati yan. Pati yan, fly.
Ha?
Mabuch, ano man?
Chow time.
Should've stayed my ass a little bit. Should've never let you
Hello. Say hi. Sila na next.
Excited.
Pa.
Lak mo di ba kayo Devon City na kon? Mali ah.
Te. Hindi ikaw.
Oh, kita mo na. Oh, sige.
Bridge, mamaya na kayo, bridge. Kami muna. Tayo man eh. Ha?
Ah, sige, kayo daw muna.
Hinahinay lang kami di Papa.
Go.
Alin na medyo. Camera key. Ay. Pa. Bye.
I was there when needed someone who wasn't getting over you. When I move to the side, when I move, call you mine, and I know what you're feeling. I'ma take you for a ride, let me take it off your mind, cause you know it's the season. And I move, and I move, and I move when I ride, and I move, and I move, and I move when I ride, and I move, and I move, and I move when I ride, and I move, and I move when I get so tired of making me take a night, predicting it's all that I'll do cause of you. I let you show, don't let you in on my life. I tell you the things that you need to know. I know you like that, I know you need that. The way you're moving your body, don't need your feedback. I know it makes sense, don't know I play pretend. I guess the seasons change. I was there when needed someone who wasn't getting over you. When I move to the side, when I move, call you mine, and I know what you're feeling. I'ma take you for a ride, let me take it off your mind, cause you know it's the season. And I move, and I move, and I move when I ride, and I move, and I move, and I move when I ride, and I move, and I move, and I move when I ride, and I move, and I move when I, yeah. I get so tired of making me taking night, predicting it's all that I'll do cause of you. I let you show, don't let you in on my life. I tell you the things that you need to know. I know you like that, I know you need that. The way you're moving your body, don't need your feedback. I know it makes sense, don't know I play pretend. I guess the seasons change. I was there when needed someone who wasn't getting over you. When I move to the side, when I move, call you mine, and I know what you're feeling. I'ma take you for a ride, let me take it off your mind, cause you know it's a season. And I move, and I move, and I move when I ride, and I move, and I move, and I move when I ride, and I move, and I move, and I move when I ride, and I move, and I move when I get so tired of making me take a night, predicting it's all that I'll do cause of you. I let you show, don't let you in on my life. I tell you the things that you need to know. I know you like that, I know you need that.